Hi, this is Michael J. Mayer. I'm the #1 international best-selling author of 7L, The 7 Levels of Communication, with the subtitle, Go From Relationships to Referrals. But I have a question for you. What does it say on your tombstone? Ooh, that's deep right off the bat. He hit me with that in 15 seconds. Are you kidding me? What does it say on your tombstone? Does it say, one life barely lived? Does it say, one life hardly lived? Or is it going to say, one life fully lived? Fully lived. If you want to have a life fully lived, I encourage you to get your butt to West Chester, Pennsylvania, fly into Philly, May 16th and 17th. It's in West Chester, Pennsylvania. And let me tell you something. I have the honor and privilege of keynoting, but holy cow, don't just come there because I'm speaking. We have David Osborne, multimillionaire. We have Pat Hyben, the billion-dollar agent and a New York Times bestselling author as well. And I have to tell you, the sessions are going to be dynamite, off the charts. But the hallway conversations, that's where it's at. You are going to meet the man or woman of your dreams, the one who can take you to the next level, not just in business, but in your life, so that you can put it on your tombstone, one life fully lived. Go to onelifefullylived.org. That's the #1, because you're #1, right? onelifefullylived.org. Make it happen. I'm Michael J. Mayer, and I'll see you there.